The Story of Kashmir and Junagadh Historical Book of Syed Rais Ahmad Jafri Nadwi, a renowned author. He was the only author in the subcontinent Indo-Pak who has written more than 250 books on every topic, especially on independence of Pakistan and on Islamic history. This book is of great importance to the general reader and especially to those doing research on the topic. This book is based on the tragic stories of the Muslim states that came under the revolutionary influence of India's independence. In this book, the way India usurped the states of Kashmir and Junagadh under internal and external conspiracies. It is a chilling tale. Historically, this book was published in 1960 by Sheikh Ghulam Ali and Sons. Since then this book is quite rare. Rais Ahmad Jafri Academy has launched a charity project under which all their books are available on the website raisahmadjafri.org in free PDF format. Contact the given number +9 23008202918 for further contact.